It is with a profound honor and a deep sense of duty that I address this esteemed gathering at the presentation of the Eswatini's Grand Plan for National Transformation, a visionary blueprint that seeks to translate His Majesty's call for Ngwe into a transformative agenda for our nation. We are deeply grateful for the enduring wisdom and visionary leadership of His Majesty, whose guidance at Sibaya and in successive state opening addresses continues to illuminate our national path. His Majesty has consistently challenged us to rise above complacency, to embrace innovation, and to place the welfare of our people at the heart of governance. The Grand Plan must be a direct response to this call, a testament to His Majesty's unwavering commitment to inclusive development, institutional renewal, and strengthening of our national identity. It is through His foresight that we are reminded of the duty we hold to serve with integrity, to lead with courage, and to build with purpose.
Nina bekunene-ke ingwenyama ikhulume kakhulu lesizama ukukwenda-ke la kwekuthi sicapturishe le vision lo mbono wenkosi nekuthi-ke bese sesithi senda njani uze ukuthi sifinyelele kulo mbono lomkhulu kangaka. So ngawuthi ngicabha yethu-ke lapho sonke ukuthi senda njani uze ukuthi sifinyelele. Ngiloko-ke manje lesifise ukuthi sikusebente kanye kanye ube bhede lokusala. Ngiyacela-ke mangameli netimphunga tonke la kwekuthi la asibuke ukuthi bani ukhulume ini lengasiyo, ngoba sifuna ukuthi ngalo umqondo lo nawo bese sesiyawubuka ukuthi vele utawusiyisa yini le la inkosi ithitha sifike khona.
On traditional medicines, ngicabanga ukuthi sonke siyadi ukuthi our medicines are one of the best. However, because of inadequate research and packaging, sesithatha more lama placebos than the actual. So my suggestion there is kude longadi ukuthi nawuhlushwa umgogodla umhlabelo uyakusida nangabe bo BP bo bitter leaf nabongaka. So let's, I love the way nive then akhombisa ukuthi niyadithanza tinto tenu. Let's package le tinto tethu.
Ngifuna ke ukubuza ukuthi what can they contribute probably ku-education system yethu, because you can see ukuthi ku-education system yethu sibhayise kakhulu ku-production. Not just awungena ko-mining nakuphi. You will find ukuthi we might not have my experts who are going to work in the mines. So we need to move a little bit, maybe our curriculum iphakame ukuthi bangasita kanjani, as much as we understand ukuthi kufuna ukuthi si concentrate ku-exporter, but at the same time sidinga ukunciphisa loku-importer skills nathi siwadevelope. Move on to level processing, because the institutions that we have in the country, most of them we senda production asikefiki lapho ukuthi sikhulise abantu ukuthi bafike ku level of processing. That is my concern.
Kusukela nje ngisemncane bengineliphupho lokuthi nalelinye ilanga ngivela kaNgwane ngibe ne-passenger train. Ingabe ubukiwe yini naloko noma kufikile emthonjweni ukuthi sisakhuluma ngezinsabataka rail siyifake le passenger train, ngoba sesiyabona ukuthi la mgwaqweni imoto seziningi, makhumbi mafasi sekuningi, sekuba ne-congestion. Kanti uma singaba nayo leso sitimela lesitawufaka abamvu, for starters sigijime nje lakhaya, then sesingabe sesiyayelula imingcele yethu. Ngiyabonga, President.
Lemthile ngicela ukuva ukuthi ungawuva kahle to what talking a 30-year vision before it. Nasi la ufuna ukuva kahle. Uma ngabe kunjalo as the fact ukuthi sinakumende lona 5 years as a office in fact that factored into, because you may have that long vision. By the time figure group yanga lasendaba zenulo ukhona, this thing has long dried up. I said has that been forecast factored in this grand plan? Nayo the grand plan umuntu abengafuna ukuba sisisholi angayiva issue maybe ngayisiya boyini kodwa nje balabona abangama consultant ukuthi sishoni ngale grand plan versus or aligning it to the national vision.
Kwecala nje ndawucala ngibude mhlambe nga-human resource yethu ukuthi kungabe khona in-statistics labasentile ubuka ukuthi ubonjiniyela bethu bo-industrial kuya konke nje labonjiniya bo-aviation, at least bo-aviation khona abancane ngibadi ngoba phela mhlambe bangala ngakithi ukuthi ungabe bayibukile yini leyo ngcinelwana leyo kokuthi bangakanani mase singena sithi vele singena kule plan esitawukwatini ukuthi masinyane ngoba phela ngiyathi ukuthi emave lamanye njengabo Dubai bavele batokuba ngala ngakithi bathatha bo construction engineer bethu bo steel engineer bethu babamixalela ukuthi ngabe thina ngalasibe kanjani ke kulabo
abapresentile. The greatest concern mengameli enginayo bekungilothi it is too overly ambitious, but ke le concern yami leyo mengameli has been addressed very well. Lo presentile uyichaze kahle kakhulu le ambition lokuthi ngoba benginale challenge ukuthi sidawakha lamaphupho mengameli abe too far fetched, sidawa realize nini kanjani, but ke lo presentile mengameli ukuhlahlele kahle kakhulu kwabonakala kwaphatheka nakimi ukuthi kungaphatheka mengameli loluhla luhle kangaka loludana yethu nakulo ngekho.
Siyabonga.
Uyathokozisa ukuthi na ufuyele embudi ayidzingi ukugaywa kakhulu, kodwa i-challenge yakhona kunokuthi lana seyiyebeka fana nengomo bathi bayifaka itswayo and then it's gone. Ayinekali asibaya bayishuka nje so ngileyo ke i-challenge funa ukuthi sithi sifuna ukufuya sibuke ukuthi yini indlela lesitayisebenzisa to mitigate untshontsho.
Ngicela naku ke Madam President lokuthi usacolwa loluhlaka kangaka kufikwe phela etikhulwini a very important stakeholder in the country lesivama lokukhohlakaleka. Ngithi ke Madam President alijinge lifike musho umsebenzi bawufake nabo bacole bajikela bakujikayo. I thank you, Madam President.
But now a challenge kwekuthi nakuthi ma high value tourists, because nangabe kufika ema high value tourists usokufuna le mali labatayi spend akuthi ibonakale in the dollars, in the euros. So kude umuntu lotofuna kulala facility la ngayitfoli kahle kanti unemali. So labantu labanetimali sebafuna vele better product quality. So ngisekela labakusho ukuthi the investment kulama ecotourism facilities kusaba ma 5-star kumcoka kakhulu.
Uva kakhulu la indzaba yemandi. The presenter just clipped over the map. Wasitshela nje ukuthi we don't have enough water in the country. Wagalaja le map kani phela. Kude lesingakwenda ku agriculture donke into esikhuluma ngato without emandi. Kude lesingakwenda in terms of hydro power generation without emandi. Lamadam lamakhulu esitawakha might not be enough. Belebe singathanza kukuva maybe kubuka nje ukuthi babukele nema mappings emandi ethu ukuthi angakuphi, particularly sibuka nathi South ematete ngoba unfortunately kuyakhiwa la emateteni kanti angema-sources emanti. Nekuthi la manti letinsaba letinemanti tingakuphi tinganani, anganani imali lesingawathola ukuze sisebente ngawo eveni. Ngicabanga ukuthi isele lapha ngiyacabanga ukuthi bayi-addressile leyo.
Representative wethu lapho ukhulume ngendzaba leyo angitholi kahle but ngasabe more of kule ndzaba ye-legalization of insango daka abe more yena ngasebusenini angamva ukuthi uSaslandlela indzaba yaseNetherlands yini
lokumcabulile njengokuthi bathena bayikhuluma lento ukuthi lo mkhumbulo uhamba njani basifaka nathi lemakhaya babekisa nje ukuthi nafaka le culture ukuthi aseyiyena le ndazi awungijabulisile so abakabuki la duze nje babala silungini bathathe wona nale makhaya sitawufika nathi sithotha sathi sokunapsagidwa le culture bogogo batawuhle baphekala amahewu lapha bathengise emafeti sithole sonke lo suku awo nangabanjwa lapho ekugcina ke nami ngifuna ngibena kule ukuthi awu nakutransport abekunene ungathi angabanjwa lo judge angasita kakhulu ngoba lamalule asilibatela lo mgwaqo ngiyabona.
Ngabe yini ngivele base this is a 30-year grand plan, meaning it's a 30-year agenda for the country, which is good. Ingabe, why 30 years? Why not 15? Why not 20? Why not 50? Why not 60? I'm sure 60% or 70% of us here in 30 years' time will not be there. But we don't need to be there. If the plan is well defined, yes, I think it's more of a good succession. Yellow, who say Nebantwana Bay, but watch out. Babeship Zabel Washiana.